love that song. Love it. Guys, just have a nice on that song. I love it.
Very own episode of The Twilight Zone.
Ja, das ist diese historischen Spiegel. Der ist so schräg, das kommt von da rechts.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, the library doors in front of you will be opening. Please stand back from the doors as they will be opening too. Thank you.
Alright everyone, let's continue all the way in, fill up any and all available space in front of you. All the way in. That's all the way on.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.